Dear student, from today we will start semester 2. In semester 2, as semester 1, we are having 10 chapter, unit 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 unit, each unit containing 2 chapter. So we are having 10. From today we will start chapter 1. Okay? And chapter 1 is a poem, Old Queen Curibus. First you read, sing the poem, then I will explain. Old Queen Curibus, he loved his garden so he wouldn't have a rack around, a shovel or a hoe. For each potato's eyes he bought fine spickles of gold and mufflers for the corn to keep its ears from getting cold. On every head of lettuce green, what do you think of that? And every head of cabbage too, he tied a garden hat. Old Queen Curibus, he loved his garden so he couldn't eat his growing things, he only let them grow. So, old means senior. Understand? Queen Curibus. So, Queen Curibus is a name. Queen means short. Queen means short, means small. And old means aged, senior, older than us. Okay, that is old. And queen means small, means short. And Curibus is his name. Curibus is his name. Look, this is okay. This uncle, you are watching this uncle. This is old, and this is small, not long, not is his height is short heighted. He is short heighted. That's why queen. That's why queen. And his name is Curibus. So full name is Old Queen Curibus. Understand? He is the lover of garden. He loved his garden. And he don't have what? Rack. He would not have rack. Rack means a tool to cut grass like this. Okay? This is the rack. And he would not have a rack, a shovel or a hoe. So shovel means a tool used for picking up and moving earth or snow or sand. Okay, this is the shovel. And a hoe. Hoe is also used to move. It is used to move the waste soil, sand or materials, or we can say garbage. Okay, so old Queen Kiribati, he loved his garden so he wouldn't have, means he don't have that tool. Which tool? This rack or shovel or hoe. But he tried to maintain his garden very quietly and very carefully. For each potato's eyes, he bought fine spickles of gold. Look, for potato's eyes, do you know potato? So he bought. Bought is the second form of buy. So he purchased, he bought fine spickles. Spickles means glasses. Okay, some of you bears glasses, spectacles, okay, on your eyes. So he bought them. And he bought some mufflers. Muffler means in this cold season we wear, some wears mufflers, be some call that scarf. Okay, scarf or mufflers. He born for the corn. Corn means, do you know corn? Wheat. This is corn. You can have a look. This is corn. These are corn. Okay. So he born what? Muffler. Look, this is the corn, and he tied them around a what? Cloth. And this cloth is a what? Muffler. This cloth is a muffler, or we can say scarf. To keep its ears from getting cold, he tied around a cloth that these corn can be saved from getting cold. Okay, on every head of lettuce green, what do you think of that? So every head of lettuce green, what he has kept? Lettuce green means a plant with large green leaves with are eaten like a cabbage, and every head of cabbage too. He tied a garden hat. Okay, now you can have a look. These are the cabbage. Okay, and some of them are lettuce. Lettuce is a breed like cabbage. We eat cabbage. Okay, so lettuce green and cabbage are similar. Okay, so on the lettuce green and on the cabbage he had put hat. He tied a garden hat. He tied a cap. Look, you can see in the hair that he is putting hat, or we can say cap. Okay, this is called hat on the cabbage head or lettuce green head. Understand? Old Quinqueribus, he loved his garden so he couldn't eat his growing things. He only let them grow. So this old man never eat these vegetables, never eat this corn. He only let them grow. Look, in this basket, he is keeping scarf, he is keeping hat, means cap, okay, for his vegetables, for his gardens, for keeping safe. So in this poem, this person is taking care of his garden by giving the short explanation. Look, he is don't have rake, shovel or hoe. He is putting the spectacle of potatoes eyes. Okay, he brought some muffler. Look, he brought some muffler means clothes for the corn. Okay, and he brought some cap and hat for the cabbage and lettuce green. Okay, but doing all this hard work, still he did not eat his growing things. He only let them grow, means he is a nature lover. He loves very much to his garden. He did not eat. His he never eats his growing things. This is the short poem and very interesting poem. Okay, so understand the title of the poem, that old man, short man, and his name is Curious. That is why old Queen Curious. See the spelling also. You should see this spellings. Okay, there are some difficult words that I have already written the meanings, like spectacle means glasses, muffler means scarf, shovel means a tool like that is used to moving the earth or some soil, or we can say snow. Sometimes snowfall are there, so we can remove the snow, and we can remove also sand. And this is a hoe, means like a shovel also. We can use it for removing the garbage. Understand? And some meanings also there. Lettuce is a plant with a large green leaves like cabbage. We are having some cabbage. Look, these all are leaves, we can say leaves. Okay, and hat means we can say cap. Okay, and rake is a tool to cut grass. It is used to cut grass. Okay, like that. So all these birds are not difficult. I have already explained. You should try to understand it. Watch this video 2 times. You will surely understand this poem. If you get any difficulty, you can contact me. Okay, you can ask anything else. Thank you.